All right, so that was just my one puff pastry sheet. I'm next gonna grab my classic chili with beans. Now, if you don't like beans in your chili, you can grab a can of chili with no beans, or if you wanna make homemade chili, even better. I always say homemade is better. Okay, and we're gonna use about 3/4 of this can of chili, and we only have it on half of our puff pastry. This is gonna be a stuffed and puffed pastry that's savory and delicious. Beef hot dogs, and I already went ahead and cut 2 of my hot dogs up, and we're gonna put those right on top of our chili. Now, if you like chili cheese dogs, you are gonna love this super easy lunch, game day appetizer, whatever you wanna make it for. This is for our chili cheese dog lovers. And look, 2 hot dogs was perfect for that amount of chili. Now, the only thing that's missing, of course, the cheese. And I'm doing the mild cheddar, but you can use whatever cheese you like, a Colby Jack, a triple cheddar, a medium cheddar, a sharp cheddar, but we're gonna use about half a bag of this cheddar and make sure that this gets kind of spread out to those edges as well. Remember, we're only doing this on half of our puff pastry, and the reason for that is because we are gonna grab that other half, pull it off of the parchment paper, kind of stretch it out, and we're going to cover up all of that goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and move it to the side just like so. And before we continue, I'm gonna grab my fork, and just like you would with a pie, we're gonna go ahead and close up those sides using our fork. Now, you could use a pizza crust for this, a pie dough, but I think the puff pastry is just so fluffy, so delicious, always a crowd pleaser, and it really just stays really nicely together when you make something like this. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my melted butter now that that's fully enclosed, and we're gonna give this a nice little butter wash. This is gonna make it extra golden brown, extra tasty. We're gonna get those edges too. It'll help unseal those edges. This is gonna be delicious. All of the best, chili cheese flavors just locked into a gorgeous puff pastry. It's kind of elevating a chili cheese dog, instead of a bun, you got your puff pastry, and now it's fancy. That's what I say. Okay, that looks perfect. Get those sides too, yummy. Now I'm just gonna quickly give some cuts just so that chili can breathe in there. I think 3 little cuts should be absolutely perfect. And before we pop this in the oven, I am just gonna sprinkle a little bit of our chopped parsley for some beautiful green color. This is optional, you can totally skip this, but I think it's really what's gonna make this fancy and elevated. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to pop this in the oven. Beautiful. All right, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 30 minutes. All right, you guys, look how beautifully golden brown our puff pastry is. The best part about keeping it on its parchment paper is that we can just slide it right onto our cutting board. I'm gonna even try to get it off the parchment, because why not? Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my, perfectly cooked. All right, it's time to cut into this crazy creation. Oh, yeah, look at that cheese. Oh, I cannot wait to dig into this. And this is some good old finger food, so you don't need a fork or knife. It is our chili cheese dog hot pocket. Yeah, you heard it first. Oh, I got a hot dog in that bite. This is so fun, so delicious. I mean, you have to try it.